Hi, everyone. Let's talk about a topic we all hope we never have to face, but one we are absolutely prepared for: security incidents. While we work hard to prevent issues, the reality is that cyber attacks like data breaches or ransomware can happen. That's why our district has a robust incident response plan. Think of it like a fire drill, but for our digital systems. When something goes wrong, whether it's a suspected virus or an unusual email, a potential data breach, we have a clear step by step process to follow. First, there's detection. This is when we identify something that's wrong. Next, containment, where our priority is to stop the spread of the issue. We isolate affected systems to prevent further damage. After that comes eradication, where we remove the threat entirely from our systems. Then, recovery, bringing our systems back online safely and securely. Finally, a post incident review helps us learn from the event and strengthen our defenses for the future. Now, here's where you come in, and this is crucial. Your immediate report is the critical first step in activating this entire plan. If you see something suspicious, anything at all that seems off with your device, an email, or our network, don't hesitate. Report it to our IT department right away. Don't try to fix it yourself and don't ignore it. Your quick action can be the difference between a minor issue and a major incident. We have the plan, the tools, and the team ready, but it all starts with knowing when and how to report a problem. We have a plan for security incidents. Your quick report helps us to activate it fast. You are a vital part of our defense. Together, we got this.